Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can print SSS contribution online like this one. So we have option number one here, which is by going to the web portal. So go to your member.sss.gov.ph and log in to your my.sss credentials. So from here, just have to navigate to the inquiry menu, then click contributions. So this page displays your monthly contribution records, total contribution posted, and amounts paid, as well as tabs for SE or the VM, or even the WISP and etc. So you just have to scroll down to review your full history, and then to print, you just have to simply use your browser's print function, or you can also click the Control P. So you have to click it at the same time. So you will see a print option right there. So you just have to click on print to print your contribution. So you can also adjust settings for paper size and orientation. So portrait or landscape, so it depends on you. And to also capture all columns, so it depends on the orientation. Next is our option number 2, which is by using the mobile application. So you have to install the My SSS application. It is available for Android 9 Plus or iOS 14 Plus. So log in using your my.sss account, and then on the dashboard, tap on the total contribution here, or you can also go to the contributions to view details. And then if printing is not supported directly, you can screenshot the page and print or save via your phone, or transfer the image to a computer where you can print the contribution paper. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!